Alright, laddies. We're gonna go fix some fucking headlights right now. His are toast, just like his clutch. His. So yeah,
My clutch is not toast.
We're bugging to Canadian Tire. It's a pretty ass store, but it's whatever. It's my employment. And yeah.
Fired for that.
What?
You can get fired for that.
They can't fire me. It's fine. It's fine.
Show
Alright.
people that. That's cheap.
We got, oh, I can't fucking flip it. We got cheap gas, 95.2. All right, so
that's for a gallon.
it's not for a gallon.
I know, but light over there means.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, it's for a full gallon. But anyway, yeah. So we're at Canadian Tire. We're gonna vlog in the store. All right, lads. So we got this shit to clean his headlights, and yeah. So we're just headed home.
We also got some zip ties to fix.
Oh yeah, we got some zip ties, some steel ones
To fix
this situation.
Yeah.
And yeah, so
We also bought. We wanted to buy some badges that said turbo, because we were gonna strip our badges off our cars, like the names. We don't want it to say, because mine says standard edition, which disgusting. I shifted really bad there, but it says standard edition or something, or special edition, which lets people know that my car has none of the options, essentially, which is fine because I'm saving weight, but like I don't want people to know that that's the case. You know, I want people to think I have a sunroof, but I don't.
we should cut out a sunroof
That would be a good video.
and like put plastic.
Dude, that would be a good video. If I get a new car in the spring, like I'm down to just make this car like
Just a project.
just like fuck it up.
All right, man.
Like I'm down to just fuck this car up.
Yeah,
Yes.
you can fucking cut out a roof or like a hole
Bro,
in the roof.
cut out a sunroof, fucking buy the cheapest turbo kit we can. That guy almost just killed somebody. That was a really bad left turn. But yeah, just buy a shitty turbo kit and just send it and just try to blow it up. And then just be fucking racers with it, man.
Yeah, I'm down. We can like rivet the sunroof.
We'll make it look like a racer car, but then we'll also like, hey man, it'll be turbo. It'll be a turbo Civic.
It'll be turbo. Dude, then you actually have to buy the badge.
Nah,
You actually have to buy the badge.
it's got to be a sleeper at that point.
It's a sleeper?
Nah, unless we have the turbo mounted fucking above the hood, because that would just be retarded.
Alright.
They can't say that.
It's fucking demonetized.
That's fine.
Alright, we're gonna be back at the house. Alright, so we just sprayed it with regular glass cleaner. No name brand, obviously. Hold on, I'm gonna have to fucking stop the video. And like the difference is just crazy. You can't really. Oh, it fucked up again.
It's just because it's like cold and wet.
Yeah,
It's
it'll
fogging up.
thaw out. But yeah, like that's way better now compared to that one. Yeah.
Here, I'll show it to them. Watch.
There you go. Yeah.
To watch it.
Watch this happen right here.
You just spray it with the stuff, glass
Yeah.
cleaner.
The glass
right
cleaner.
there. Take the cloth, microfiber cloth. Look at that. Look at that. It's not. It's brand new.
That's brand new.
Showroom.
Boom! Look at that.
But then it cause it's cold. We out here in Canada, boys.
Microfiber finish. Or it comes with the microfiber.
All right, so we just got all the dirt off.
Yeah. So
Now-
she's in.
Now we gotta take our nice green painter's tape and line the.
All right. So we taped it up. And now we're gonna be using 1,000 grit sandpaper, dipping it into water, and going at her.
You don't need water.
No?
Nah.
Dry sand it?
Yeah. Yeah, dry
Look at
sanding
that.
plastic always works.
Let's start right here.
It's always a good effect. Let's see if you can see the difference right away. It's pretty wet.
Wait, did it say like side to side motion?
I don't think it said anything about that. It said, maintain or keep the finish. It just says keep it wet. Sand the headlight in a smooth. Oh yeah, it does say side to side. Good call, buddy. Good call. I appreciate you not scratching up my headlights. Ooh, that's doing something.
Yeah, man.
Ooh. I don't know if it's just because it's getting wet and like the condensation is like getting less cold or something.
Nah, she's peeling, buddy.
It's actually peeling off some dirt.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, it is. You can see. Oh, I bonked your head. But you can see that's dirty ass water right there. That is working. This car's gonna look like at least a year newer. Actually, that's impossible because it's a 2004, so it can't look any newer.
It could look like a 2005.
Nope. Actually, yes, it can. It can look like a 2005. Did they make the coupe in 2005? I don't know, man. Honda's a good guy.
Gotta have the pocket in the hand strategy.
It's really cold though here. I also got my pocket in my hand. It's like minus 2 or 3 degrees Celsius out here.
Dude, what finish are we looking for? That's probably important to know.
What the hell?
No, it says on the thing.
What the fuck does that mean?
Like what? Like how do you know that we're done?
I don't think it does say that, man.
Yo,
I should probably just keep this. Oh, it says continue sanding until it appears evenly frosted.
evenly frosted?
Yes, and then wipe it dry with the towel.
Is that evenly frosted?
I don't know, is it? That looks pretty frosty. Is that a frosty to y'all? That's frosty.
If anything, we could all just go back, or we can. I'll do a couple more passes.
Yeah, just send her, just make sure it's good. Yo, have you ever seen like those Lego engines?
Yes, those are sick. I saw an SR20.
Those things are so cool, man. They really do sound like the real engine. And it's funny because those things probably make more power than this engine when it's like, because it spins it with a pretty fucking serious drill. Did you know that Lego is actually the world's #1 tire manufacturer?
Oh, because they sell so many fucking tiny tires.
Yeah, man. Isn't that such a weird stat? I was playing this trivia game and that was a question.
That's so weird.
Like I obviously said, I think I said Goodyear, which is like probably the #1 answer that people would say.
Yeah. It's fucking Lego?
And the answer is Lego. It's like, what the fuck? But then you think about it, it's like, holy shit, that makes a lot of sense.
I almost knocked that over.
That's probably pretty good, man.
I think that's Frosty.
That's hella frosty.
Fuck.
I mean, look at this one compared to that one. This one's like kind of clear
It's clear enough.
clear and soapy. This one's yellow and dingy.
All right.
Good job, buddy. It says keep.
Oh, wipe it off.
Do you have to wipe? Yeah, wipe it off.
Where's the? Oh,
It's in the. It's in the box. Yeah. Wipe it. Let's see how it looks.
oh, doctor.
Oh my god. Holy shit, dude. You can actually see, like, the metal here on the headlight. Like, look.
Yeah,
Look at that. I haven't, like, look.
That's new to you.
Look at that.
You've never
and
seen
let me,
that.
Let me show you this on the other side. Like, it's not the same at all. It's not shiny. Damn, that looks pretty good.
All right.
I'll just give you a look at both right now. Wow, dude. It's so much brighter. Holy
You'll actually
crap.
be able to see.
Dude, my car at night is actually like pretty dense, dude. Is this gonna make my headlights better, you think?
It will. Make it brighter, yeah.
Hell yeah, because I always be driving on these like next concession roads and stuff. Because they always send me out to these boony areas and then I gotta come back at night and it's just terrible. Driving the concession roads, like, you know that White's Road above Taunton doesn't even have lights? And you know that Taunton and Pickering doesn't even have lights?
I didn't know that.
Bro, it doesn't even have lights, and I'd be driving down there. I can't see anything. I can't turn my high beams on because it's like obvious reasons. It's a main road, but if
Really?
there's
You
no
can't?
if there's no people around me, I'm pretty much like a moped out there.
You can't turn on your headlights? Or fucking...
No, I can turn them on, but I'm not gonna blind people. All right, so we just finished. We just changed over the pad from the 1000 grit sandpaper to the 3000. You can see the result here. Look at that. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. We're on step, I think. So we're on step 4 of 10. We're 40% done.
40% done.
Apparently we're 40% done, but I think that looks pretty good for 40%.
We're gonna show you what's happening here. So the last one you went nice, good job. The last one you went side to side. This one going up and down. This is like gonna be the only part of my car that looks good. You know, it's gonna be pretty nice here.
I can't wait to fix your bumper, dude.
My bumper? I don't really even know what we can do to fix it.
Dude, you gotta drill the two shits in there. And there you go.
You actually think we could do that?
I probably, but I mean, I don't trust myself that much.
I mean, like, I would like that done because that is just, it's so bad. It really makes me cringe.
But then you need black zip ties.
Well, then you should have made me buy the black ones today, man. I bought the metal ones. I was like, should I buy the metal ones? He's like, yeah.
How was I supposed to know?
Because I was like, I got a silver car, so the metal ones will look better. And he's like, yes.
I mean, it makes sense.
The silver Civic. Oh, I also came up with a name for her, man.
What is it?
Because it's, okay. This is a pretty good name, I thought. Her name's Cece. Okay. Cece the Civic Coupe.
Ooh.
It makes sense, right?
You spell it C-I-C-I?
Yeah, man. Cece the Civic Coupe, man. Or it could just be C. For Civic Coupe.
Nah, C-I-C-I is better.
I also got that name. You ever seen the show New Girl? You never seen that show?
Nope.
There's a girl on there named Cece, and she's really beautiful.
Oh, okay.
So, like,
Don't
this
worry.
car is not beautiful, but you get the point.
If we get bigger, just hit her up. You're like, yo, I have a YouTube channel.
I mean, that's not her real name. That's then her name in the show.
I know, but like the actual...
I don't actually know the actor's real name. I think like, but yeah, she's fine. You could edit a picture of her in. She's fine. But like, yeah, man, this is looking pretty good. So that's stage 4, pretty much done.
Oh, how's the other one?
We'll get back to you when I guess
a little frothy.
It's getting a little bit dirty again because it's just cold. But like,
okay.
we'll get back to you when we put the drill on, I guess, man. Hell yeah.
Alright.
Alright, we're sending it with the drill. Here we go. That's not even spinning it.
That ain't spinning it. Hold on.
Alright, we got the drill going. We're out here. Oh my god. Increase the speed, boy. Go to half, man. Go to half, man. Go to half speed, man. I like that might not be a lot of power or a lot of polish, man. So maybe I'm wrong.
It's alright. It just said use small amounts, right?
No, it's really nice.
Alright.
Smells like minty.
Gotta get a nice little dab on
You
it.
want a little dab? Alright, so we're just gonna send it again. The camera's dying, so I guess like
We'll just keep doing it, and then we'll next step.
I'll show you when you're done, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, folks. Here it is. This is the finished product. You can see looks actually really damn nice. You can see every little detail in the headlight. I hope you can see, man. You can see like the grooves in the metal there. You can see the actual bulb. Look how clean that is. That's really nice. I'm really happy with this. We paid like $30 Canadian for it, and then hell yeah, did it ourselves. Took like what, half hour?
I don't know what time it is.
Half hour, 45 minutes maybe.
What time is it?
It's 2:30.
2:30. Alright, yeah, like an hour.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. It looks pretty damn good. So hell yeah, we're happy with that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the transformation.
Yeah, so pretty much all you have to do is just fucking rub a little bit of this on, rub a little fucking this on. And
Yeah, that's pretty much all you missed. We were just rubbing it with a towel.
After you do it with the drill, fucking wipe it off immediately after the drill. For each headlight, they didn't fucking mention that. But yeah, you just wipe it off immediately. Then you wipe this with the microfiber towel. And that's just like the cleaning shit.
Then I got a new microfiber towel.
Yeah,
that white went over there.
Yeah, and then you're good.
Hell yeah, brother. So I just stole that. That's fine. But like, it looks pretty damn good. You can see. Makes my car look way younger.
Better.
Way younger.
Increase your value. Title of this video. Clickbait.
To be honest, that would work. And then, yeah, we're going to put the license plate on now. We're not going to show you that because my phone is like It's dead. It's
Mine is already dead.
It's at 3%. It's dead.
Yeah.
So hell yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed that.
Yeah. All right, man.
We the fucking scraper boys.
Have a good day, man.